Showing you how to use VPN application here, like a pro stating.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here, when you first open the application, we'll ask for connection request to stop on OK, and we'll pretty much load up the VPN. So it's a very simple VPN. It don't have any ads or anything like that, and it's very easy to connect. So you can pretty much go here. You can see your tap to change country, or you can tap on countries here, and you can go and select whichever server you want. They don't have much servers, but their servers are quite decent, not gonna lie. So let's say, for example, you want to use the United States server. You have to pretty much tap on it, and to connect to your server, you're gonna have to watch one ad. Once that ad is finished, be able to connect to any server you want. But I'm currently already selected the German server, so I won't have to watch any ads. So once you have selected your server, you can just tap on the connection button here, and you will start connecting in no time. So as you can see here, it's already connected, and I can literally browse the internet right away. So very simple VPN to use, nothing more for you to not understand. And if I've missed anything at all, comment below if that does help you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.